Let's make chicken pot pie. First, we're gonna make pie crust. We're gonna use our food processor to make pie crust. If you don't have it, you just use butter puff pastry. You can buy it at any grocery store. On your food processor, I'm gonna add 2 cups of flour. You're gonna need a half teaspoon of salt. We're just gonna close it and just purse it. To that, you can use cold butter, cold shortening, cold lard. For shortening and lard, it doesn't really necessarily need to be cold, but if you can, it would be nice. And cube it. I want a cube, little melting down, not to worry. Add that, and we're gonna purse it until they're pea size. To that, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of ice water. It needs to be very cold, mind you that. While I'm slightly pursing, I'm gonna add it. To that, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Purse it again. That was my daughter. They come about like this. Wrap here. Let's put it on the ground on your island. And did I just hit my mic? Alright, we're just gonna dump it all in there. So you're gonna just quite gather together. And just kind of I just pat it down, and that we will rest it in the fridge for 30 minutes. What goes inside a chicken pot pie? It could be turkey, it could be chicken. Today I'm using store-bought baked chicken. Didn't finish. Just gonna cube them. Here we are making cream chicken. So we're gonna add 4 tablespoons or more of a butter, 1/2 cup of a flour, and basically we're cooking the flour in our butter. To that, I'm gonna add 1.5 cup of milk. That's a 1/2 cup. And a cup of the milk. Or you could use 1/2 cup. When it becomes this very thick, I'm just gonna add a tiny bit more. It becomes this loopy glue. I'm making a little thicker because it's going to be in my chicken pot pie. We'll add our chicken, and this is very heavy dish. We like to add some lemon juice to brighten it up. I'm gonna use 1 whole lemon. To that, we're going to add some salt and pepper. Salt. Oof. Nutmeg. Just a little pinch, it's not a lot. And I like to taste. Yes. Now, let's do our vegetable prep. In heat, I'm going to add some butter. I feel like that's about 3 tablespoons of the butter. You can add more if you like. And I'm gonna add all my vegetables. Add a corn. We're gonna add some salt, pepper to taste. Baby.